Hi everyone, so I'm going to be making a cheesecake. I'm going to make it from scratch. Yes, I know I could bought one for probably like 85p, but I thought, do you know what, I'm going to make one. So, all my ingredients are from Lidl. I got the custard creams as the base. Don't know how it's going to go, but I thought, do you know what, we'll try the custard creams because I'm not keen on a digestive me. So I've got both of those packets in a dish and 200 mils of butter. So I'm going to put that in and mix this up. Mix it till it's all combined. And I'm going to put it in that big dish here. Also got that from Lidl as well. That was $4.99 I think it was. So brilliant price there. And this is going to be a strawberry one with some white chocolate as well. Very, very, very sweet this is going to be. So that is what I'm doing first, as you can see. So all that has been flattened down in the dish and 2 packets was enough for this dish. That's going to go into the fridge while I'm going to make the next part. So for the next part, I've got 100 grams of icing sugar, 550 mils of double cream. That goes. Let's get that all out. A dash of vanilla. And then the mascarpone cheese. You can actually use Philadelphia or soft cheese if you like. Now this is a 250 tub. I'm going to be using most of it. So, well, to be honest, it was 200 mils, but do you know what? Let's just get it all in. It's not going to make any difference, is it? So all that's going in. And then also from Lidl, I got some strawberry jam. And a scoop of this is going in. And one thing I did not have was a whisk. I've got like a handheld whisk, but I haven't actually got a whisk. So I got this whisk from Lidl, sorry, and this was also $4.99. They had a bigger one as well, which was actually a smaller one, sorry, which was more expensive. So this is the one from Lidl, and it also comes with these attachments as well. How good was that? So I'm going to mix this up now to make it stiff. That is the mixture done, and all I know, if you're making a cheesecake, you should be able to turn this upside down on your head and it not come out. So, perfect. Right, let's get this in this dish. Spoon it all out. Oh, it's looking good. I hope it's going to taste good. I have done a cheesecake before, but it's been like a really simple one that's only had like 5 ingredients. So I haven't really done a big one like this before, nor had a cake tin. Don't do baking. I'm not into that. Never goes right for me. Always goes belly up. So spread all this round, and then we're going to get this back in the fridge while I make the next bit up. Like so. For the topping, I've got this white chocolate. For the topping, I've got some white chocolate, so I'm going to use the whole bar, and I've got 100 mils of cream. Don't ask me how many calories are in this because I absolutely don't know. Probably too many. Do we care? No, not bothered. This is going into the jug. You could actually use bourbons and brown chocolate if you like. Get that in there, and then we're going to put it into the microwave to heat up. So that had 1 minute in the microwave. I then stirred it and put it back in for another 20. So we're going to get the cheesecake out of the fridge. Oh, I hope this goes to plan, guys. And then we're going to put this all over the top. Looking good, looking good. Let me just get a spoon. get all that out. Spread it evenly on the top. Spreading itself anyway. So a little bit round there. That was just enough time as well, that. Wasn't too runny. And it should look something like that. So we're going to put that into the fridge overnight and get it out in the morning and do the topping. Right, so it's the next day and it's looking like that. So, go undo this, and no idea if it's going to be good or not, but hey ho, let's go. Oh, I'm praying, literally praying. Was I meant to do this bit first? Probably should have got one of those that pops up from the bottom. Hold the line caller. Praying. Oh, it looks good though. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at that. Right, so I've got the jam. I'm going to get the jam on the top. I mean, you don't have to put jam on if you don't want to, but I am. Get that all on the top. Because we've got jam going through it as well, haven't we, in the cheesecake bit. The cheese and cream. Oh, it's looking good, this. And then we've just got some strawberries to pop on the top. I'm going to place these like you'd have a slice. And then all that's left to do is actually try it and make sure it is actually nice. Or else this would have been a lot of money to waste. What do you think, guys? How nice does that look? But it's what it tastes like. Honest review of my cheesecake. It's absolutely to die for. I'm going to post what I did in the comments, guys. Give that a go. You'll seriously impress someone.